Hey plant friends, so I'm going to do a quick update. I'm going to do a quick update on my tomatoes. Look at this, buddy. Oh, lovely. All right, so this is the LUKOSHKO on the window. And I have some buds at the top. Where'd it go? Right there. So this one was the one that died and I replanted. What did I replanted? Did I even write that down? 5/21 or 5/2/2021, and it is now into July. I'd say it's still a nice compact plant. It's in a courtyard though, so it doesn't always get direct sun, but it's pretty intense when it does. Now up here, if you remember, is my micro tom. This one I planted in February, and I have I have several green tomatoes, but also one red one, and I would have more tomatoes if I didn't eat 2 of them yesterday. So I have officially harvested off of this guy. Super cute. It's living in this 4-inch pot that, oh, it desperately needs watered. But there are 2 plants in here and they really don't, this is all they do. They just hang out here in my window. So there's those 2, and let's go outside and take a look out there. Okay, so now we are outside, and I have a couple of these potato. Oh, I have a little flower. Holy cow. These are the Cessus agreus ones. I just recently pinched back an entire plant so there would be a bit more room in here for these guys. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay. I got those. I got the Borsigiana, which has a couple of buds there. And it's just so leggy and interesting. And I'm noticing all these little buds that have just kind of set over the past couple days. It's been really, really hot. And also then all of a sudden we got a ton of rain. So a lot of weird stuff. This plant is actually slightly sunburned. This out here gets a lot of sun. This one gets slightly less sun, but it's sunburned. This is actually one of the tomatoes that I would probably say will grow fine on my patio. Oh, I got some buds here. And I thought I saw some more, but I'm really excited. All right, and then this is my little tiny Venus, micro dwarf. Tiny little guy. It wasn't getting very much sun or anything like that, so that's partly what I have done with this tomato situation here is resituated it so that it gets more sun. It's putting out some new growth here, but the old growth you can see is spotted and kind of gross, and I don't see any buds on this guy, just some new growth, which I'm very excited about. But this one I might try growing inside again. So there you have it. It is possible to grow tomatoes inside if you have a small enough plant. And then these guys are out here, so I'll give you an update on those later. But yeah.